Alright, welcome to this brand new video. Today I ordered this model off of eBay. It says Subaru WRX, and so it's really cheap. I got it for like 25 bucks. And so I'm trying to see how it looks and put it together for you guys. Anyway, here's the blower chassis, bottom frame. And they got this like wound up thing where you like roll the car backwards and then you let go and it rolls forwards. And you got one axle, true screws, 4 tires. And then we got the dash part, the steering wheel and everything. It's nice detail in there. It's a little crooked. I mean, it's fine. They got like a speedometer and everything in there. Let's see if you guys can see there. There we go. Anyway, little knobs for the air conditioning, little vents. Driver's size on the right hand side, obviously you can see. Originally this car was in Japan, and now originated from to America. So there's that, and then we got the windshields. Not too bad, pretty relatively clear. And then I got another part of the inside interior. Seats there, pretty nice. They got a shift knob. Yeah, right there, shift knob and middle console. Passenger seats in the back. It's this huge. This piece of plastic right in the middle is where the wind-up thing goes. And so there's that. And here we got the body frame. Take a look at the front first. The headlight's a little clear, like you should put light behind it. You can see through it and everything. Hood scoop. We got the. Here, see if we can focus that in. There you go. We got the Subaru logo and the STI. You can see a little mesh. There's a little mesh in the front of the grille. The hood scoop is literally detailed right there. You see, a little black in there. All of this is painted and you just got screwed. It's pretty easy, no glue. I mean, some parts I have to use glue because for me, taillights are okay. One is lighter than the other. See that? One's darker, lighter than the other. And they got the SWRX logo. And the doors open. The doors do open both sides. Only the front ones do. I think they have quite a bit of space and they could probably do. Like there's a gap between the door and the frame itself. But that's fine. Alright, so let's get to building it. So first up we got the wind-up piece. I can't figure out what this name is called. Please leave in the comments if you can what this is called. And so it should just clip in right there. There we go, just like that. And next up is to take the tires on if you want. There's a little mesh on the very end. You can see the top, or that will keep the tire on there, so it doesn't like spin freely. I want the tires to actually kind of do spin on the rim a little bit. Get that in there right. Get both sides. A little tricky. The front axle is a little trickier than the rear. See? Alright, next up should be the frame. Actually, no, it's the axle. Sorry. So it's easier if I take the axle and put one wheel in first. The front is a lot easier. It's very loose though. I mean, I would put some glue in there. You know, if you do that. Stick. tab of hot glue in there. Let me get a little bit. Tab glue. Stick that in there. Wait till it pops. Sorry for the blurriness. That was a little weird. The rims are pretty nice though. I think they look very painted well. Like there's the lug nut bolts. Focus. Come on. Oh wait. Anyway, there is lug nuts on there. It's like 4, 5, 5. Anyway, and next up would be put that on. Here, there's just these little rings you can see. You shove the axle through both of them, and then put some more glue in the other tire. Tab. Just put it right in there. Don't spin the best, but they spin. Okay. The next up is the interior. So let me think. Oh yeah, there's this one screw right there that's already in it. Usually, so I don't remember exactly. I already threw the box. So you'll see the box that came in. Need a screwdriver. Excuse me for my sisters, 8 and older. It's good. What the? Oh, that's not. Stupid me. That's good. Okay, then like this. So the next stop is a little harder. Take the body, and you want to take the windshield too. And I mean, it's a lot easier if you open doors, I think. You just put it into place, and you kind of just slides right in there. I need to put some glue in there in this spot right here because they're broken. So. Alright, so after you get that glued and everything, you take the dash. Take the dash and there's just 2 little slots. Come on. Those 2 little slots, there's one right there where the windshield slides on. That's where I glued. There's little hooks that like V-shaped things will go around it. And so the same thing on here, you can see. So those 2 hooks will go around it. It's very loose, so I'm gonna glue them too. Do that too. Okay. It does move quite a bit. It's cheap, really. It goes together as the best, but that's why I do some glue. I mean, it says no glue in the box, but I use glue. It's the reason I think most of all probably easy. It's pretty good. And once you shut it. Okay, and the next step is to put it on the chassis. Going on. You got a line that holds up too. One side. The other. And tell me this. My first time I had screws in well, screws like really not one way. So it'll play a while first. I mean, I've already put this together. Want to make a video. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, leave a like down below. See you guys in the next video. Thank you and see you later.